What is good, YouTube? It is Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and today we're gonna clean a Balenciagas. All right, another triple S pair of sneakers. This is one of my female clients. Oh my God, it is dirty. Hold on a second. Can't breathe. What? Oh my God. Oh. But yeah, like, they're like saying like, wearing a mask is not gonna help prevent COVID, the coronavirus from entering. So I have 3. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. So let's have a 360 look at this pair of dirty shoes. It is quite dirty actually. I think she wears these for beaters. I don't know, but you can check out the stains. I'm not gonna clean the bottoms. Because she only wants me to do the interior and the uppers and of course the midsoles, the laces, all part of the package. Now I don't want to do this without gloves, but I have to. The insoles, left side, yes, they're Asian, they do wear it like a slipper. Oh, my nose was too close. The front there, the mesh, it is definitely stained compared to the other one. It seems like this is the before and this is the after. I haven't even done anything, but I'm pretty confident that after cleaning, this is gonna look a lot better. Now the inside, of course, all the stains and dirt from the feet, the inner collar, and there's the other side of the foot evidence. Let's just put this aside. I will definitely sweep the bottom. There's a lot of rocks and pebbles. So grab your tool, trusty tool. In this case, I have this no-name brand piece of crap. And yeah, just pick off all the little rocks and pebbles because this is part of my sweep. Wait, hold on. I got a rock. All right, this is gonna take a long time. Oh, of course. All right, so I'm gonna use this clear bowl to basically collect all the rocks and pebbles. Okay, continue. I'm gonna have to charge my rich Asian customer $1 for every freaking pebble that I'm picking out. This is about $100. This is why I have a bowl to collect all the pebbles and rocks to charge my customer. Grab your bowl of water, clean, rejuvenator, and don't do squirts, all right? It just sounds very, very wrong. I do drip, drip, drips. Sounds cooler. It's about right. About 1.5 inches of water is good enough. I'm not gonna use a dirty shoe tree because this one's for larger sizes. What I'm gonna do is stuff the inside of the toe. If you hear some clickety clack on the floor, that's our dog. Wanna say hi? No, you're gonna sleep? Let's twirl the soft bristle brush into this solution and start cleaning. All right, shake some off. Let's put the right side away. Far away next to the dog. Circular motion. Let's test the spot. By the way, this shoe does have a nubuck. I think this is nubuck, if not suede. Oh, so bubbly. I leave the laces on just because I want to have the brush hit the laces as well. Triple S, more like triple stained, triple sad, triple stupid. For the customer paying so much money for this pair of heavy bricks. I'm gonna do the right side, but before we do that, make sure you pat the shoe dry completely because you don't want to have water stains on the suede or the nubuck. I didn't clean the inside yet. I'm gonna do that next. I kind of want to finish the exterior first before I move on to the interior. This shoe will definitely need a couple rounds, but look at the difference already. Check this out. Oh my God. It's already cleaner, all right? This is a big improvement. I'm surprised. Thank you, Rejuvenator. All right. Can you guys hear this? You might as well lick the shoe for me because you can clean this better than Rejuvenator. Told you she's licking herself. Lick the shoe too. Say hi to YouTube. You're now famous. Here's a close-up shot. All right, I gotta make sure that I finish the laces here and pat it dry. Ooh, gross, disgusting. All right, yeah, definitely a lot better. Yeah, this is crazy. Like, you know what? Honestly, if you watch Rejuvenator's tutorial, I don't actually think that they cleaned a Balenciaga Triple S before. Maybe they did a while ago. I don't know, but I don't think they would clean this because this is like an Asian hype beast kind of shoe. I've cleaned a bunch of these. Let's remove the spaghetti. Put the dirty laces aside. Ooh, I just noticed something. There's a couple blue stains. I think it's from the leather. The fakey leather. Oh my God. The inside is very yellowy. So what I'm gonna do right now, because I got the laces off of the shoes, is take away the clean Kirkland cloths, use the soft brush, the same brush, dunk it in here, shake off some, and start cleaning the tongue. And just let the solution, the foam, all that action kind of get into that mesh or fabric material. I don't care what it is, I'm just cleaning the shoes. All right, once I'm done the first quick round of the tongue, I'm gonna pat it dry, okay? Or just wipe it like this, like so. Put that away. And continue doing the underneath of the tongue. You Asian here. This bowl comes in handy. Collect all that kind of crap. I'm gonna actually give this about 1 day to fully dry before I do the second round. Now my second round, you guys should be familiar already, blocking my neck. Medium bristle brush, all right? I'm actually gonna do the second round like this, very carefully on this material, right? I don't wanna press on it. I'm gonna actually use the same medium bristle brush for the inside as well for the second round. And I'm going to use a stiff brush for the midsoles, not the outsole, because that's not part of my package, all right? My customers cheat. I'm so tempted to clean the bottom for some reason, but hold the shoe like so and just stiffy it. I'm just getting all the suds up to my mouth and nose. Not recommended. A little bit better. I think I need 2 layers. And continue. Now, I still feel the suds entering the mask. Triple protection. Okay, here we go. All right, my ears are starting to hurt. Okay, another day. Same shirt, of course. Yeah, this totally looks a lot better than yesterday when it's still wet. You know, the reason why you wanna let the shoe dry before you do a second round of cleaning, if you need to, is so that in case there are some stains that you can't really see when it's wet, and then when it starts drying, you're like, oh my God, my shoes are dirty again. So I'm gonna continue with the left one. New bowl of solution with a medium brush. Always check the brush. Don't make the boo-boo like me. Basically clean the shoe. Don't put a lot of pressure. This particular material is very, very soft, so be careful. Gently place it like you're massaging a baby's bum bum. All right, so do the inside, do the other side, do all the sides, right? I'm not gonna show you everything. I'm gonna move on to the smell good insoles. Oh my God, need to wear gloves. Let's test the big toe. Let's see what happens, all right? I'm sorry, Kirkland microfiber cloth. Just press on it, right? Close up, this material, it's all good to actually put a little bit more pressure. This material is actually very similar to the Yeezy 350s insole. The one that Reshoevn8r just like, hey, let's throw it in the laundry wash, right? It's gonna definitely clean all this foot evidence. No. Oh, I'm tired. Still do. Okay. I got a little dirty insole foamy on my nose. Medic. Ugh. Oh, don't do that. Oh, I think I got COVID. Where's my mask? Where's my mask? Just going back and forth, targeting all that dirtiness with the medium brush, and a big difference, right? It's almost like new. I'm gonna let this dry and actually do a second round, believe it or not. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. You guys are probably wondering, like, what is the point of cleaning the insoles? You can just buy brand new insoles. Well, number one, this is a Balenciaga's, okay? I'm pretty sure they don't sell insoles. Number two, let me do the job of this dirty cleaning, right? That's what I do, if you pay for it. And number three, because I like to. Laces time. Okay, so. Medium, medium brush it. Oh, by the way, I just noticed Kevin Hart is actually in that commercial. What is that toothbrush brand called? This looks wrong, sorry. A Brush. Oh my God, he's like, Brush, get your teeth clean. All right, let's brush this lace up. You know, the best part about this is I'm cleaning two things at once. The island table and the shoelace. Actually, if I put my finger right there, I'm actually cleaning three things at once. My finger too. Can you guys see? There's a lot of little thin, you know, I don't know, butt crevices. And this is why I don't buy Balenciagas. This design so lame. Why did they make a shoe of so many crevices, butt spaces? Like, oh my goodness. Why? So many butt cracks on a shoe. Why? Is it necessary? No. Humans, do we have more than one butt crack? No. Why? Every single little gap, there's dirt, butt dirt. All right, why do I have so many products? I don't know. When your shoe is all clean, make sure that if you have suede on the shoe, bring the nap back. Use a brass bristle brush or a Reshoevn-Ator medium brush. But in this case, this Balenciaga does not have suede. I think it's in nubuck, all the gray little sections here. So what I'm gonna do is grab the Angelus Suede Renew. Open the cap. I don't know why, but they're basically telling you not to directly spray onto the product, the surface, onto the product, onto the surface. In this case, I got a brush. I'm gonna spray it on in a well-ventilated area and just directly brush it over the leather, okay? In this case, I am just targeting on the nubuck. I really hope this is nubuck. Once you're done, both sides, cap it back on, right? Throw it aside. Make sure it's dry, of course, before you add an extra protection. Reshoevn-Ator water stain, useless repellent. First layer, 15 minutes, let it dry. Second layer, and then you're good to go. Insoles. I like to top it off with Reshoevn-Ator's deodorizer, all right? Just spray a lot onto the insole because it stinks. And of course, the collar, the inside, you know, all that stinky stuff. And when that's good to go, you give it to the customer, right? Just push all that crap aside, cap this back, knock it over, and you're done.